Hi everyone. Today I'd like to show you 3 different engineering connections in 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA. I will start with the screw connection. Screw connection is available in the drop-down menu for the engineering connections. I will have screw connections. So I need to specify the geometry. Offset is between those two surfaces, and the angle should be between, for example, this plane and this plane, and the rotation axis is around here, and then the motion direction is here. So and now I can also specify the ratio. So 1 millimeter translation should be equal to maybe 70 degrees rotation. Okay, and I will try it out. Yes, it looks quite fine. So that is the screw connection. Okay, now I would like to show you the rack connection. The rack connection is also available in the drop-down menu. And when I select the rack connection, I see I need an offset and an angle connection already. So I will start with an offset connection. And the offset should be between the center axis and the plane, and it should be controlled because it's going to be controlled by the rack. I will at the same time prevent the gear from moving in said direction, so I will add one offset between the center axis and this plane and leave it driving. And also I needed the angle connection. I will make an angle connection between this plane, for example, and this plane. And it needs to be a new connection. And also needs to be controlled. Okay. Now I have both these connections in place, so now I can create the rack connection. I will use these two, and I will have one revolution, a 3 degrees revolution for 1 millimeter translation. Okay, and now I can try it out. Yeah, it moves and rotates at the same time, but it's going on the opposite direction, so maybe I need minus. Try it again. Now it looks much better. So that is the rack connection. Okay, now I like to show you the gear connection. It's also available in this drop-down menu. I have gear connection, and also I can see I need already 2 prepared angular connections. So I will start with creating angular connections. And the first angular connection is between this plane and this plane. And it needs to be controlled. Okay. And I need an angle connection for my second axis between this plane and, for example, this plane. And it needs to be a new one. And also needs to be controlled. Okay. So now when I have these 2 angular connections in place, I can create a gear connection. And I select these two, and I can also specify the ratio. So this diameter and this diameter will make up the ratio. Okay, and now I can try it. Both is rotating quite fine, but I see that I need to swap the direction. So I place a minus sign in one of the values and try again. Now it looks quite fine. So that's all.